Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. Today we are looking at niches you could make money from. Home decorating products. If you have any doubts on the strength of this niche, then try out Pinterest and see millions of pins just referring to home decor ideas. New entrants like Houzz and Wayfair have cracked the market to a great extent and are bursting with home decor ideas, but that's not the end of the world for you. You can sell wall art, frames, mirrors, artificial plants, decorative pillows, rugs, lighting, throws, curtains, candles and whatnot. Start exploring this today to make money online from home. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.